Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Speedray. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and the other index. Guys, I'm back with another strategy today. So if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another wonderful video. And guys, we have our Telegram group on the below description of the video. You can also join the group for more updates on boom and crash and volatility index. So guys, I'm back with another strategy. You see, this strategy is one of our best strategy that can easily help you to trade volatility 10 on 15-minute time frames. So guys, I'm going to show you the settings of this strategy before I explain how this strategy really works. So let's go to the settings of this strategy. In the moving average, we have in the main chart, we have the moving average, the period of 2000, and we have our shift to be 0. We have our method to be simple. We have apply to close, and we have our style to be in yellow color here. You can choose any color of your choice. You see that? You can choose any color of your choice. Then you press on done. Then you move to your moving average, the second moving average. You have your period of 1000, and you have your shift to be 0. We have methods to be simple. We have apply to close, and we have red as our color here, but you can also choose any color of your choice. Then you can press on done. Then let's move to indicator window 1, where we have our stochastic oscillator. We have our K period to be 1, our D period to be 1, our slowing to be 1, and we have our price feed to be low high, and we have our method to be simple. We have our two style to be in the color of our background. You see, this particular color, you are going to have it as the color of your background. So if you are using black color, then you have to put it on black color. Then we have our level here. We have our level, which is 50, 85, and 50. So our 50 level will be our take profit 1, and you can also set 70 as your take profit 2. Depends on how you want it. Then you press on done. Then you move to the first moving average on indicator window 1. We have the period of 2. We have our shift to be 0. We have our methods to be simple. We have apply to close, and you can choose your style as any color here. Then you press on done. Then let's move to our moving average indicator 1. We have our period of 1. We have our shift to be 0 here. We have methods to be simple, and we have apply to close, and we have our color to choose like this. So you can press on done. Now let's move to indicator window 2, where we are having our relative strength index. So our period to be 1, apply to close. We have our style to be in white color here, and we have our level in different level. You see, we have it as level of 50, we have it at 100, and we have it at what, 10 level. You see that? So that's the level that we are setting for our relative strength index. And also we have our envelope, and the next one we have the period of 75. We have our shift to be 0. We have our method to be what, to be simple. We have apply to close, and we have our upper and lower bound to be in this color. So you can also choose any color of your choice, but make sure that you have your upper bound and the lower bound set on this. Then we have our last indicator here, which is the moving average. We have the period of 1. We have shift to be 0. We have methods to be simple. We have apply to close, and we have our red as our style color here. So then you press on done. You see, this is the settings that you need to trade on volatility 10 on 15-minute time frames. So this is the combination of a two window together for you to find an accurate time for you to enter this particular trade. As you can see, in a particular trade now, currently now, is supposed to be taking, but due to I'm making this video, so I was unable to take this. So this is our first indicator 1. This is our indicator 1, and this is our indicator 2. This is our main chart. So we have our two moving average on our main chart. Let me show you this two moving average. Because of our level of the period, you see it show up only when it is when it is meet the accurate time. You see, we have our red 9 here. You see that? I want to show you where the two showing each other, but I think I can't find that now. But let's see, but the 2 is what is in the what is in the main chart. So now let me go deeply inside what we need to explain inside this video. So now for you to access this particular strategy, you need to what you need to understand how this your moving average of 1 in your indicator window 1 is working. You have your 50 level as your take profit, and you have your 15 level as your what as your buy zone, and you have your 85 level as your what as your selling zone. So this is exactly how this particular strategy works. So now this particular area now is what you are going to be looking for anytime you want a sell entry. You see this? Anytime you want a sell entry. So you are going to be enter for sell entry at this particular time when you see that your moving average is moving towards the 85 level. So this is the right time to enter for this particular sell entry. As you can see in this current price level now, we have our sell entry that is accurate, and currently now the market is coming on a downtrend. So what you are going to be doing on the second window, indicator window 2, is that you are going to be checking out your moving average, which is the red 9 here, when it's crossing above the upper band. When it's crossed above the upper band, and you can see here that we have our green 9 here, which is our upper band, and we can see our moving average of red that is crossing it below on the above level, like what we see here. You see this? So exactly anytime it crosses above like this, and you have your indicator window 1 and indicator window 2 that are respect the same accurate that you want, then this is the right time for you to enter this particular trade for a sell entry. You see what happened now? So the market will keep on reverse a little bit, then keep on coming on a downtrend. So let's check some sample of what we have explained inside this video. You see, same thing also happen here when you are looking for a buy entry on volatility 10-15 minute time frames. You have to let inside your indicator window 1, you have to let your moving average, your 2 moving average that you have there, you have to let it reach your 15 level. So immediately to reach your 15 level, then wait for the indicator window 2 to also have the full confirmation, like what you have it inside inside indicator 1. And once it respects it at this particular level, then this is the right time for you to enter this particular trade. As you can see here, inside indicator window 1, we discover that our moving average has not reached our 15 level here, but when you check indicator window 2, you will see that it has already give us an accurate time for us to entry, which even if you enter at this particular time, you will see that we have a reverse in the market. It respect that buy entry little bit, and before you see it give us a reverse back before giving us a full confirmation at this particular area. You see that? So you have to wait for that full confirmation on the indicator window 1, and also confirm it in indicator window 2. You see that? So that's exactly what we want. And also we have another confirmation entry at this particular area, which I need to explain to you guys. You see, at this particular level now, we see that we are having our ranging moving on on this particular level. And if we can check our price level, we see that it come down a little bit, and now it's giving us a range area before it decide what to do next. So now we can confirm this in our indicator window 1 that the ranging is falling in between the 85 level. And if we can check our indicator window 2, we can see that its range also both the upper band, which is telling us that we are having a selling entry very soon. So at this particular level now, you can keep on watching up the market until you have a full decision of what is going to happen in the trade. And you can see what happened here at this particular area now is give us the highest buy area, which for us to enter this particular sell entry. And you can see that if we enter that, you will have will have cashed down this particular sell entry like this. So let me show you guys more of an example of what you need to understand about trading this strategy using it on 15-minute time frames. So like what we see here is exactly what we need to understand, because we need the flow of the market. And if you can easily understand the flow of the market, then you can easily decide on what the market is about to do, so that this will be the best time for you to enter this particular market. You see what happened at this particular, you see it works on it works on crash 1000, and also it works on crash boom 1000. But I will make a video on that. Don't worry, I will make a video on that. But let me explain what happened here at this particular moment. We can see it respect our area at this particular 15 level, but we cannot just decide with our indicator window one only. So we have to confirm it in our second indicator window. You see that? So we can able to confirm it now in the both level now. So that means that this will be our last trade level for us to take for a buy entry. You see what happened here? So we have to look for a buy entry at this particular spot, and we can keep on trading this particular trade until we have our 50 level. That is reaching here. You see, we reach our 50 level at this particular moment, which we can take it as our take profit 1. And also if we check this particular area also, same thing also happened here. It also happened here. It reach our 50 level at this particular area too. So you have to make sure that you follow the rules that I have explained inside this particular video for you to catch up a trading volatility of 10 every time. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop a powerful video like this. And also you can click on our notification button to notify you. And also we have our Telegram link below the video description. You can also join mentorship and for guide, and also you can also join for daily updates on boom and crash. Thanks.